Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda CBR500R with ABS brakes. Believe it or not, this bike has 24 miles on it. Showroom condition, beautiful red. It's got awesome looking aluminum Yoshi pipe, rear seat cowl, and again 24 miles. Come by, make your mid-size twin cylinder fuel injected sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. This beautiful 2013 CBR500R with ABS. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. 24 miles. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.